to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today this video is all about DIY night cream for glowing skin. So if you want to see, then keep on watching. But before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I am taking a clean bowl and spoon. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of Patanjali coconut oil, then next I am using 2 tablespoons of rose water, then I will take 1.5 tablespoon of Patanjali Saundara aloe vera gel. Now at last I am taking Good Vibes lemon and lavender essential oil. I will put 8 drops of lavender oil, and 8 drops of lemon essential oil. Now mix it well. Now put this mixture in a clean small container. Now you can use this cream daily at night. Take few amount of this cream and apply it in your face and massage it gently for 2-3 minutes. And go to sleep. Next morning wash it as usual with your face wash. You can feel your face so soft and glowing after using it 3 to 4 weeks. You can decorate it also like this. So hope you really enjoy watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.